All right, Pam. So we were chatting just a little bit ago about how you said a couple people were asking why at your age did you choose to do a regenerative procedure for your knee instead of going the traditional route of a knee replacement?
Right. Well, first of all, I wanted to be able to walk much better, and I'd like to get rid of my cane, and I'd like to be able to stand for longer periods of time. And I just felt that the conversations about what it could do for me, the potential was for that, was so much bigger than just getting a knee replacement. Doc didn't think I'd be a great candidate for a knee replacement, but he didn't press me one way or the other. And I thought just trying something so new and so forward-looking at my age would be worth giving it a shot. And I work at the university with young students who are in engineering, bioengineering students, and I listen to them talk about all the things they're doing and how it's working out. And I thought, I really didn't feel like I had anything to lose. I thought I had more to gain. And also with the way Victory Sports is set up, the relationship between the PT folks and the laser folks and doc and the nurses, it's like altogether everybody's pulling in the same direction and caring about what you're doing. So when you're doing it, you just feel good all the time being here. So that was the other piece of continuing the work afterwards that I knew I had to do and loving it.
Wonderful.